Okay, right now we have a blind spot. I mean, blind spot. I mean the
crash.
The crash. Now let me take the seatbelt out here. The light is on. I'm gonna put it back. It's okay. So let me just run a diagnose. Run a diagnose, and then we see what happened. Is it Nissan what?
Nissan Murano.
Nissan Murano. But that's the crash. What they call the radar. You may need to take care of that one too. What year is it?
19.
Nice car, I like 19. Select. You see that the VIN number already coming. Yeah, confirm. Check your this one. If you come out, it's gonna come on. Like the airbag is off, it will not work. And if you disconnect this seatbelt, this one is
gonna come on.
Yeah, so it's good. Put it back. You see something.
No, but if you're driving and you plug your seatbelt in, it's supposed to be off. It's not supposed to be buzzing.
Just put it in. We're gonna see which one create that problem. If nobody's sitting there.
There's nobody sitting there. That's what it says.
It shouldn't. If you are driving, it's off already. You shouldn't.
No, but it's complaining for that.
I don't know what it is for.
So I want to know if it's a sensor in here.
Yeah, it could be too. It could be something like that. So we're gonna check it. But that thing you will not know unless everything is completely done. When I check it here, I know for sure that anytime you have an accident on the car, the airbag module have to be replaced or have to be reset. And after you reset it, it will diagnose itself and it will let you know if something is wrong still, which means that everything was okay except they call it radar sensor or crash sensor.
The radar sensor.
Radar sensor, which you replace it. Where is the old one?
I have it at the shop.
A small piece like this.
But I think nothing was wrong with it. I think it didn't plug in properly.
Oh, so you don't look at it before you buy it?
No, I didn't check it out. Just when I asked the guy to pull it out and see what happened.
You see, steering angle sensor circuit. You have a code for the steering angle sensor. Okay, and CAN communication. Incomplete steering angle sensor adjust. Head unit. External hub. This is passed. Okay. Steering angle sensor code is still coming. Next page. Control unit internal electronic error. That's like ABS VD circuit system internal malfunction. Steering angle sensor circuit side radar malfunction. Okay. You have a lot of codes here, which is strange. For me, this new. Okay. Keep going. A lot of code here too. Okay, those are done. Okay, side radar. Okay, let me turn the key off. Ignition off. Ignition on. Let me clear all this code. See what's gonna happen again. He asked me execute. Incomplete steering angle sensor. I don't know why that came into it. That's a multi-lane, right? AV, external USB communicator, and then body control module low. That's only passed, right? I'm gonna erase that one. The multi-lane. Okay, now we have USB. Does it mean this one here?
Yeah, it could be a USB port.
USB port or external communication. Yeah. And also you have the ABS, internal malfunction, ABS, TC-VDC circuit system, and it's current. Okay, but this is the ICCA DAS, like it have relationship with
but there's no ABS signal on the dash, so
I don't know what it is, but I'm just seeing this is a dealer tool that we use in it. So let's just go drive this car a little bit to see what we have about the seatbelt or if there is any noise. Okay. Because if you have ABS issue, it will flag.
Okay, so The seatbelt will not come on now if I'm sitting right. Like, let you drive.
Try to see if there is any. You can sit in the back seat.
Yeah, right. As I said, I
sit in the back seat.
I want to see exactly what's going on.
Okay, sit in the back seat and then we see what code. I don't see no code here, but we're gonna
Let's
look
see
at.
what's going on.
Okay, it's still off.
Okay, let's see what's going on.
Hold this for me.
What, do you want to hold the phone?
Yeah, hold this one. We're gonna see if there is anything come up. Okay, I don't want to put anything there.
Okay, I think it's gonna show.
No car there.
Yeah. Well, you see the backup camera, so you got something coming up right behind you.
Okay. You see now the passenger airbag.
It's off, right? But
it's off. Yeah, it's off. The passenger airbag is off.
But the seatbelt is still.
Yeah. But it's here supposed to be off too.
Right, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
so
here supposed to be off.
That's the point. So when you start driving
now it's off, right? But here is the light that is coming is here in the corner. It's off, and I don't see anything, which is not bad.
Okay, but the minute you start driving, it's gonna start buzzing and show you that on.
Yeah, when but we don't have no code here. We have 3. Let me see here. Occupant classification. This car, we have occupant classification on it?
Yeah.
Under here?
Under there, yeah.
We may have to check and see.
Well, they all carry this way they measure sense of occupancy. Yeah, so.
It's not reading the. I don't see the Dynox 1 system. Restraint system. Airbag. Let me see if there's any code. Let me see now. We have no code here. Say yes. Okay, occupant. Cannot see the occupant classification. I'm not communicating with the sensor, with the occupant.
So that's probably why it's
yeah, maybe that's why. Maybe that's why he cannot see. I need to see the occupant classification. You see, he start reading and he cannot see it. I don't know why he cannot see that one. That's you're right. Maybe because of that he cannot.
That's why
yeah, but when you put this one here, if you plug it, you have no problem, right?
Right, no problem.
Yeah, but if it's not there, you need to see it.
That's the problem. It's like.
Yeah, it look like.
What's going on? Okay, so I can go. I'll go get them in a bit.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, no problem. I could get them. Okay.
Maybe there is a problem with the occupant classification. Let me try to see what's going on it.
You tell me what time you going.
Okay, thank you for watching. Let me drive and see what's gonna happen. You see it beep? Yeah, it beep. Okay, plug the seatbelt. Let me see if it's gonna be quiet.
It's gonna definitely go away. But then you want to be driving with the seatbelt plugged in all the time.
Yeah. Okay.
There you go. It goes
It's good. It go away and nothing there. It beep because he cannot see the
right. There's no
or the
place
occupant.
where
There is no occupant there.
Why
There is
not?
no
Yeah.
communication with the occupant. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So let me see what. And no code regarding occupant.
That's what I'm saying. That's
Yeah.
occupant
Occupant detection. We're gonna check it inside and see.
Two.
It's not detected. Okay. So let's see what's going on. And then and as soon as you put the seatbelt, the light is gone, thinking that somebody's there, but occupied.
That's what's going on.
But it shouldn't be like that, unless that means if there is nobody in the car, it's supposed to send a signal.
Right, so we say that no one in the seat.
We are not in the seat, and the light will not come on. Here the light will not supposed to come on unless if somebody sit in the seat and he didn't put the buckle, and that all is coming from the occupant. So what we're gonna do is,
Occupant or the weight.
I'm supposed to get some kind of code too. The buckle is supposed to be good.
That's what I'm getting, but nothing of communication.
But the airbag light is gone now, right?
Yeah.
That code for that one is not available. That what I was sure for it. Yeah.
Collision sensor.
Yes. Okay. No, I know. So we're gonna see if somebody's there. Okay. If nobody there, you have to leave it plugged.
Right. That's what.
That's what I know. But if you disconnect this one, it's come on, which is good.
Come on, which is good.
Yeah, which is good. Yeah. So we know that is. We know. Yeah, something
wrong. I
wrong.
wanted to know if it was the switch or if it was the.
I am not sure on it. I may have to collect some information about it. Let me have a look at the sensor there in the bottom to see if there is anything. Okay. I gotta come here and look under. Okay, this is only motor. Well, I'm not sure if there is any sensor here.
Module or weight sensor module?
No, I don't see anything here.
Yeah, I don't see nothing plugged, so I don't understand.
Okay. Let me run some diagnosis tests about it, and then I give you a feedback about what's going on. Thank you. Yeah.